What's up guys, today's video is going to be all about how to install your kinky curly wig or any wig at all using glue. And also at the end of the video I'll be sharing some unique styles that you can use on this type of wig. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video so you can see all the unique styles and recreate them for yourself. I put on the glue and let it dry. So you want it to dry clear, and don't put too much glue, just put a little bit at a time. You can always go back and put glue in parts that were not glued down properly. So you want it to be dry, and then you put the wig on the glue where you put the glue, and then I just use the end of my comb to just lay it down. The hair I'll be using in the video is from Magic Beauty. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out the website. And I also like to use this bio silk to help give the wig shine. And then I proceeded with water to spray on the hair because it is curly hair, so you need a lot of water. And I also used mousse to help tame it down a little bit more. Alright, so now let's get into the styles. I did try a bunch of different unique styles. They're very quick and going to be easy for you to recreate. So be sure to let me know down below if you have any questions, and I'll definitely answer them for you.
Stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, cause I don't really like what I got. So I changed it, bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way, yeah. This was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. Cause I do what I do. It's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes appreciate the change.